Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and well, I haven't picked a lever lock on my channel for ages, and it's about time. And this is a really nice example of a 5-lever insurance lock. Back in the day, a lot of insurers would only insure you if you had an insurance rated lock. The Era 5-lever was an insurance lock as well, and this is very similar in form factor to that, but it's a lot harder to pick. I don't know the exact age of this, but I do think it's quite old. It appears to be new old stock. It's in fabulous condition. I mean, just look at, it's a bit greasy, but just look at the steps on that key. They're still incredibly sharp. I mean, yes, it could be that this was the one key that wasn't used and the other one was lost. I don't know, but just the overall condition of this, it doesn't look like it's ever been used outside, if used at all. Lovely patina on the brass dust cover there. And it's piped, so there's a piped key. You can see the little stem inside there, which guides the key in, puts it in position, opens it up. Yeah, it's just a really nice lock. Now, I tried looking for some information about WEL, and I could not find anything. There's a so-called WEL lock, but that's American, and that doesn't seem to be right. If I had to guess, and do you know what? I'd love to be corrected in the comments. If I had to guess, this is probably one of the many factories that sprung up around Walsall and Willenhall in the UK, which is a hub of the sort of lock manufacturing here. And a lot of those companies, they started up, they made some locks, they went away again. So this probably is one of those brands, but I don't know for sure. Like I said, I would love to find out. So we're in the vise, and here is that lovely key. Let's pop that in, give it a turn. It's quite a gritty feeling lock. I have put a little bit of oil inside here, but it's still not perfect. But yeah, it's yuck, a bit greasy. 5 pins. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cuts, and then the bolt step. I've got a very heavy duty turning tool here, and there's no markings to like lever markings on this, so I put some lever markings on the wire instead. Not very good ones, but this should suffice to give us a little guidance in the lock. And this needs a lot of tension, like a lot. So just going to crank up that tension and just going to see where we are. So lever 5, nothing. Lever 4, binding. And a nice movement there. Nothing on 3, 2 now. Binding, good, got that. 1, nothing. Let's try 4. Little nudge. 1 now. 2 little nudge. 1, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5. Okay, back to 1, 2. 4, little nudge again. 1, nothing. 2, maybe a little nudge. 4, nothing. Let's try 2 there. 1, 2. Back to 5 maybe. Oh, nothing on 5. 4, nothing. 3. Oh, little movement on 3. 2, and oh wow, such cramp on my hand there. So we have the open. Yeah, we got it, look. We can take this tool out. Don't think I bent it, but that took a lot of tension. Oh, I'm so cramped. Yeah, they don't make them like they used to, that's for sure. The only other lock I know which I think needs a lot of tension like this is the, just trying to think, yeah, the Chubb Battleship in particular is one of those locks which just needs a huge amount of tension. You're really worried about breaking your turning tools, and then we should be able to use the key to lock this back up. And you'll see here how that works. So on the inside, don't really see that little piece of brass that comes in there, and that'll lock this shackle back up. Really nice little lock actually. It reminds me a lot of the Era 5 lever, but so much harder to pick. great little thing. Anyway, so that's a WEL Insurance 5 lever lock. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. Any comments, leave them below. I do read them all, and I reply to as many as I can. And I'll see you all next time.